The Cape Parrot, native to South Africa's lush forests, is a stunning sight with its vibrant green feathers and striking yellow and orange facial markings. These medium-sized parrots, about 14 inches long, thrive in the subtropical forests of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. They primarily feast on fruits, seeds, and nuts, especially loving the yellowwood and stinkwood trees. Social and intelligent, Cape parrots live in small flocks and can mimic sounds, forming strong bonds with their caregivers. Sadly, they're classified as endangered due to habitat loss and illegal trapping, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival.